Hello, in this video we're going to take a look at the library function within Photoshop CC. It's going to help you speed up your branding and design work and also help you when you're using one of our Photoshop templates. The Photoshop libraries basically store settings, graphics and fonts. They allow you to use them quickly in any document and they sync across all your devices and across multiple Adobe software packages. We're going to look at creating a library to help you streamline your business branding. To start with, we need to create a new blank Photoshop document at 1000 pixels square. Now, if you already have your branding sorted, you want to drag in your color palettes, your fonts and your styles. If not, then let's go looking for a new style. There's a new range of websites out at the moment to really help you pick a color palette to suit your business. The one we're going to look at is Coolors, which is COOLORS.co. On here you can click explore and there's a whole range of colour palettes. You can go page by page to find one that suits you. I've picked this one out. You can see they give you the hex codes if you want to use them on your website, but it gives you a range of colours that work well together. Click export, click PNG, it will give you a PNG file. Save that for future reference, but for now we're going to copy it and paste it into our Photoshop window. And this is your libraries window here. If you haven't got this window up, you need to click Window at the top and then Libraries. And within there you want to click the drop down and create a new library. This is going to be your branding template or library, you can call it whatever you want. Branding VAD library. Now you've got an empty library. The first thing we want to do is add our new branding colours into our library to make them easier to find in the future. So if you press I or click your eyedropper tool, pick your colour, click the plus at the bottom of your libraries and you'll see there you've got the foreground colour. Click add and it'll appear. So do that for each of the colours you've got there. Add that one. And the last one. You see now we've got all of those 5 colours sat in our library. Next thing you're going to want to do is add in the font you choose. So you're going to want your heading font, which I'm going to choose something basic like Arial Black, and you want that to be about 35 points in size. So that's there. Click your plus again, and you'll see character style is now selected. Click add, and you've added that character style. I always rename these because it makes it easier to use in the future when you're trying to remember which box is which. So we've got our heading font. Now you're going to want your subtitle or subheading font. I'm going to choose a standard Arial font at about 12 points, and I'll probably make that bold. And then again, click your plus, character styles selected, click add, and then one more, main text. So Arial again, take off the bold, and I'll set that to about 10 points. Add that one in. Oh, I need to rename that one to subheading. And add the final one in and call that main text. If you've got your logo file or watermarks, anything you use on a regular basis within Photoshop, it's worth dragging them in. So if I drag in just a random logo file, you see your layer in the layers panel, drag that in, and you've then got a graphic in there as well. Any document you want to use that in, close that out. Just drag it from your library into your document. Now, I'll show you quickly how this helps speed up designing, especially with our templates. Open up one of our template windows. You can see here you've got your background colour panels. So on the library, on the layers window, you've got header colour, you've got your base colour. Click on your header, and then you can just click the colours within the library. You see how quickly you can change things around. So you probably want a fairly light colour for this one. Then click the bottom panel. You want to go for a darker colour. And instantly you've got your branded colours. You want to change your titles, so that would be your heading font, there'd be your subheading fonts, and you can change the colours of those, but it means that everything's going to match, so when a client sees your colours and your fonts that you use all the time, they can instantly know it's you. Change your font, that's going to be your main text font. And then your subheadings down here. They'll probably be quite a light colour. and then your main font. Ooh. Oh, that shouldn't be bold. That's it in a nutshell. It makes the design itself much quicker to go through and edit. When you're getting photos ready to put on Facebook, your watermarks can just be dragged in. We'll have individual videos for each template to show you how to use it, how to customize it to your use. That shows you how to set up your library ready to use the templates.